Welcome to Know About ClickFunnels. If you are in touch with the world of online marketing, you might have heard of ClickFunnels. Is ClickFunnels as a business platform worth trying? What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is currently one of the most powerful sales funnel creation tools on the market. This all-in-one sales funnel platform offers you a shopping cart, autoresponder, email service and much more. Here is a comprehensive, no-fluff ClickFunnels review. If you are in touch with the world of online marketing, you might have heard of ClickFunnels. Is ClickFunnels as a business platform worth trying? What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is currently one of the most powerful sales funnel creation tools on the market. This all-in-one sales funnel platform offers you a shopping cart, autoresponder, email service and much more. Here is a comprehensive, no-fluff ClickFunnels review. Click the link below this video for more updates. Contents. What is ClickFunnels exactly? ClickFunnels review overview. How does ClickFunnels work? What is a sales funnel? Funnel layers tell a compelling story. Why use a sales funnel? Top features of ClickFunnels. Funnel template blueprints, great visual drag and drop editor, huge selection of page elements, sharing your funnels with your friends and clients, tutorial and ClickFunnels onboarding process. More features of ClickFunnels: share funnels, Actionetics, Knapsack Tool, webinar funnels, integrated shopping cart page aspects, funnel design templates, payment processing. How to set up ClickFunnels. Getting started with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels menu, account profile menu, help menu, the backpack menu, the Actionetics menu. How to set up your first ClickFunnels sales funnel. 6 crucial steps to follow when setting up your first sales funnels. Developing more sophisticated funnels. How to use ClickFunnels. How much does ClickFunnels cost? Standard ClickFunnels plan $97, Edison Suite $297, Share Funnel plan $19. Is there a ClickFunnels bonus or coupon? ClickFunnels FAQ. Is ClickFunnels a pyramid scheme? Is ClickFunnels legit? Why is ClickFunnels so expensive? Why is ClickFunnels so popular? Is ClickFunnels a CRM? Can I use my own email autoresponder? List of autoresponder integrations for ClickFunnels. My email service is not listed. Can I use SMTP? How is the support? What is better than ClickFunnels? Can I see a ClickFunnels example funnel? What are some ClickFunnels alternatives? Builderall lead pages, Thrive themes, Entreport. What are the pro of ClickFunnels? Easy and simple to use. Pre-built sales funnels save money and time. Get multiple templates, ideal for internet marketing. Manage your sales, simple and quality. Web designing, multiple applications. A/B split testing. What are the cons of ClickFunnels? It focuses on lots of areas, not that much customization. It could be too simple. Who uses ClickFunnels? Final ClickFunnels review verdict. What is ClickFunnels exactly? ClickFunnels screenshot. So what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels was designed and created in 2014 by Russell Brunson, an internet marketer and entrepreneur who has changed the way most businesses today look at marketing. More than just a simple landing page software, ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder that makes it easy for anyone to list, sell and deliver their products online. Unlike a website package, ClickFunnels provides you with the marketing tools that make it easy to customize your designs with its drag-and-drop builder, no coding needed. This means you don't need to wait for someone to build your website for you. If you know how to use Facebook, you know how to use ClickFunnels. While sales funnels have been around for a long time, ClickFunnels has created a new movement that has made it easy for anyone, of any skill level, to create something amazing. You can use ClickFunnels to build landing pages, opt-in pages, squeeze pages, membership websites, webinars, sales funnels with upsells, normal business websites and blogs. Pretty much any website that you can think of, you can create it in ClickFunnels. This is what makes it so great. The drag and drop editor really makes it simple for anyone to get started. Thanks for watching this video.